Hi, Dr. Gary. On the road, we are dental practice brokers nationwide. We sell dental practices. So, for today's YouTube, we have an announcement that we are now available at no cost to the study club for a lecture at your location concerning dental practice sales, buying and selling. We'll talk about that. So we are now 28 states we're in, 10 employees, including 2 CPA accountants, available to you from 8 a.m. till 9 p.m. East Coast time. Every day we work 363 days a year, except Christmas and Easter. And we are now answering the phones from 8 a.m. East Coast time to 9 p.m. So call us, we'll answer, we'll get your practice sold. If you're a buyer, we can answer your questions. And we have a lot of supplemental material, which is on our website, which we can help you with. We just enhanced our website. It's more mobile friendly too, so you may want to check that out. Now, everything you're about to hear is for entertainment purposes. It's not legal advice or business advice. So give us a call and we can help you. 201-663-0935. Our website is dentalpracticeguide.com. Or you can reach us at nationwidedentalpracticebroker.com. We're there. Plenty of great information there for you. And just let us know, and we'll be happy to help you out. Okay? Now, if you're thinking about selling to a DSO, please let us know, because we can bring on a variety of different DSOs to you. They're changing all the time. We're sort of on the cutting edge of what's happening with these different DSOs, and they're changing sometimes every few months. So we could bring you that cutting edge new information. And they'll often pay our commission, so there's no commission to you. And sometimes we can get your legal fees reimbursed at closing if you work with us. Call us about that opportunity. We'll give you a whole rundown on that. So we are now available. So just call us from 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. at 201-663-0935. And just repeating, all the information you're about to hear is for not for legal purposes, or it's only entertainment, not business or legal. So now, we are now offering to lecture to your study group at no charge to you, updated information about buying and or selling a dental practice. Now, we just put a lecture on last week. Well, very high success. There's 30 doctors there, and we had, I think it was 4 doctors so far want to sign up with us. So I'm very excited about that. And we could do the same. I believe we put on a quality seminar with Q&A, going back and forth, and explain everything to you. Where possible, also bring on one of our CPA accountants, can go over tax ramifications in the sale of a dental practice. And that's been working out well too. We do a full PowerPoint presentation. It's less than 45 minutes, so it just gets right to the point. What we try to do is give you the information because we are experiencing it every day. We know what is happening, what's not, what is, everything. As far as the growth of a practice, once a buyer purchases it, what the ramifications of buying, how long it takes, what the present market value is, a little bit of everything that we can expose you to. And we'll give you the cutting edge information of what's going on today, what's happening now that we have these bank failures, what's going on with interest rates, why is it a seller's market right now, what is the interest rate that the buyers are paying also, what's the default of a dental office when somebody buys it? It's extremely small. And what are the positive aspects of selling now? Why should you sell now instead of wait? Everything that goes on. What are the problems with dental practices that may not sell? What is holding them back? Why does it take so long to sell a dental practice sometimes? all of these questions will be answered. And we have a lot of great questions at the end when we're finished. Well, we discuss every topic, and we've been doing this for 13 years in dentistry, so in the dental practice sales, so we can help you. So give us a ring on that. Let us know if you want us to come visit your study club. There'll be no charge to you. I think we could be very helpful to your club, speaking on a variety of topics of buying and selling a dental office. And we also have some great distribution materials that you could read. All right, so give us a ring. Thank you. Bye now.